Okay guys, so this is a room tour of our hotel at Ginger Jaipur. So enjoy it and let's go.
A room. So Paris. Room number 509. Okay, let's go. Safety is the number one priority. First in, you get a bathroom. Okay, you can see this. This is a bathroom, and this is me here. Washroom. You can see. Let me just open the light. Yes, you get a light. This is a bathroom. Okay. You have shampoo, conditioner, and liquid soap. Washer. Okay. And you also get a TV. We have arranged a bed, extra bed, and there are no extra charges that has to be paid. They have provided a chick. You can say, I don't know. So let's just do it. This is a window here. Okay. Let's just see. We are on the 5th floor. This is the 3rd floor. Okay. So not much to show. You have a desk. Here you have a chair. These are 2 beds. These was 2 separate, but we joined them and we're separating them. This is 2 lights here. Okay, this is a TV. Okay, and this is a small comfortable fridge that we have. Ketchup. Okay, and this is quite awesome. See, this is quite marvelous, and they have also provided an AC and some 2 or 3 photos. This is a mirror. This is me. Yo.